Hello everyone. I'd like to present my travel booking website project, Book My Journey, a modern travel portal that enables to user the booking flight, buses, and train tickets seamlessly. The photo section including a product offering, combining information and social media icons. It's mirrored the professional structure seen in major travel websites. The homepage feature included with UA tabs for our flight, bus, and train bookings. User can easily select the trips, one-way, round trip, or multi-trip, choosing a city, date, and number of traveler, then click search. On the flight search research page, I'll display the flight option with clear details, departure, arrival, duration, airlines, and prices with clean UA, a book now call to action. Click book now, take the user to a booking form where they can fill their name, departure, and destination city travel dates. A highlights of my project is a ticket confirmation page. After booking, a digital e-ticket is generated showing the traveler name, route, travel date, and even a QR, giving a real-world airline ticket feel. It confirmed the booking visually a aircraft, creating the professional and user-friendly finish. This project uses HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and inspired by a real platform like MakeMyTrip and Redbus, aim to provide a user-friendly, responsive experience for a travel planning. Thank you.